Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for NBA Live Mobile. To get started and play NBA Live Mobile, first of all, download the game from your App Store or your Google Play Store and launch it open. The first interface will ask you to enter your birth month and year. Go ahead and select your birth year and month according to your age, and once you do that, click on Accept. On the next page, click the play button and then choose the account you'd like to play with. You can go ahead and select EA Sports account or play as a guest by tapping on the human icon, or you can also tap on the first option to play with Google Play. Choose any one option and follow through the instructions. If you've selected Google Play Games, click Continue and then click on the Continue to let NBA Live Mobile access your Google account. Apart from that, you can also play as a guest or with the help of your EA account. Right after you do that, you'll be asked to enter your username. Create a username for yourself and click Continue. Now select a team from the left-hand side menu. After you do that, click on Confirm. Now, you'll need to go ahead and go through these tutorials. It'll walk you through how you can easily play the game. Go ahead and learn the tutorial, and once you are done with it, you can then continue playing on your own. So that is how you will be able to play NBA Live Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.